We're getting a lot of it. I need some people who are willing to be kind of loud. Point out somebody who's usually loud around you. Who's the loud one in your group? All right, we got the big gentleman over there. I mean, like muscling. What's your name? What was it? TD, all right, TD, come on up over here.
Everyone's got
and they're pointing at you. They want some dad up here. So what's your name, sir?
Brandon.
Brandon, go on, come up on this side, sir. So we got TD and Brandon up here. So what's going to happen, you guys have microphones, all right? What's going to happen is, yeah, see, all right, go ahead and test it out there. Let's see how it's working.
Testing.
All right, cool. Excellent. So what's going to happen is that Mike and Rick up here are going to go through a C. And anytime they need a sound effect, it's going to be up to you to provide that sound effect for them. All right, so do whatever it is, you kind of give them the best chance you get. So you're going to do it for Mike, all right? Tina's going to do it for Mike, and Brandon's going to do it for Rick. So why don't you go ahead and try that one out for you?
Check out this cool bell I got.
Bing, 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 bing. Oh, is that, yeah, give it a big hand. Rick, go ahead and try yours out.
Yeah? Check out this new guitar.
Yeah! I think they got it. Exactly. So whenever they call for some sound effects, it's your guys' job to do it, and make it big and loud. All right. So Mike and Rick they have to go do something. They have to go on an epic quest for something. What are they out to do?
Toilet paper.
They're out of toilet paper, so they're on an epic quest to get more toilet paper.
You know it's 7:30, right?
Yes! Keep it safe. And once again, family friendly and action.
Hey, Rick! Hey, Rick, we're out of toilet paper, man!
Dude, I can't hear you over the game. I mean, I can't hear you over MTV. I haven't played music in like 20 years. You're gonna make me miss it.
Never mind, I got some napkins.
Oh no, dude, don't. Okay.
I'm flushing.
Oh, turn on the fan.
Sorry. Lunch real quick. Hey, we gotta go. You gotta get some more TP, buddy.
Let me close the fridge.
Give me a beer first.
Let me open the fridge.
Just give me the beer.
This is what it feels like to be in one of those kung fu movies. See that? It's so weird. Let me open it for you.
Thanks. Thanks, buddy. I needed that.
I think you have a problem.
I have a problem.
Dude, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay, man, let's jump in the car.
All right. Whoa! Sorry, I forgot the remote control.
Who puts keyless entry on an 82 Civic?
Trying to upgrade, man.
With the fancy British right side steering wheel? No one's falling for that. See, there's that thing again with the No one stands up while they drive, man.
Look!
Oh, the seat was just way back. All right, congratulations.
All right, buckle up. That one's broken.
Where'd you get this thing?
I put the wheel back on your side.
All right, let me get crafty. Okay.
What are you doing?
I don't want to go through the windshield.
So, here we go.
Oh, this is too much of an ab workout. I'm never gonna make it.
I replaced it with a power mower engine.
Wow.
Check out some tunes, would you?
I was just reaching for this old 8-track cassette deck.
Def Leppard.
I just pushed it in. I haven't even picked a track yet. This is like a ghost card. Track 1. Oh, stereo. Nice system, bro. I don't really like Def Leppard. Let's try this old Hank Williams Jr.
Oh. All right, we're here.
This whole sounds like a model airplane. You want me to put the seat? Never mind. Oh, look at this car. Oh, we got the one with the squeaky wheel.
Here, let me get the door for you, brah.